Good day, ma'am and sir. Hi, I am Meilani Julian, 38 years old. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 56 kilogram. I am a high school graduate. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the third of the family. I have a live-in partner with 2 children, ages 16 years old boy and 14 years old girl. I have experience working abroad as a domestic helper for a total of 6 years, 2 years in Kuwait and 4 years in Hong Kong. In Kuwait, I serve 6 family members of the family, my mom and sir and their 4 children ages 14, 20, 24, and 26. My main duties there is to the household chores like cooking, cleaning, laundering, ironing, and car washing. And in Hong Kong, I serve 3 family members of the family, my mom and sir and their newborn baby. My main duties there is to take care of the baby and do the household chores also like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and car washing. To my future employer, I can assure you that I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Thank you.